Hi, I'm Susan with Kiwi Lane, and I'm so excited to share with you a product and a method that has transformed my scrapbooking experience as well as thousands of scrapbookers that we have shared it with. Now, this product was designed by my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law and myself, and we have been longtime scrapbookers. We love scrapbooking. We love taking our photos and our family memories and combining them with our creativity. It is a beautiful hobby. Now, unfortunately, it hasn't always been easy for us. We often found ourselves struggling with certain things when we would sit down to scrapbook, mostly with ideas. We would sit down to scrapbook and we would just stare at an empty page and just hope that something would magically appear, which often left us feeling not creative, feeling not confident in our skills to create beautiful pages. And then, of course, we found ourselves just piling up supplies, not really using the supplies, just collecting the supplies. And we really had a desire to use the patterns and the papers in ways that would help us to actually scrapbook some beautiful pages. So of course, we love scrapbooking and we wanted to get to work to figure out how to solve these things. And so we came up with this method to help us as scrapbookers overcome these things. And what we realized as we began to share this with other scrapbookers around the country, that we weren't alone in these obstacles, that many scrapbookers often felt the same way that we did. In fact, you probably struggled with one or more of these obstacles at one point or another. Whether you're a longtime veteran scrapbooker or just getting started, we're confident that this product and method will transform your scrapbooking experience into a blissfully simple one, just like it has for us and thousands of scrapbookers. So let's get started.